Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will continue with problems on students recommendation. Mr. Manoj had asked me this to solve GATE 2017 XC question number 24 in fluid mechanics. Let us see this. A cylindrical tank of 0.8 meter diameter is completely filled with water and its top surface is open to atmosphere as shown in the figure. Water is being discharged to the atmosphere from a circular hole of 15 mm diameter located at the bottom of the tank. The value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. How much time in seconds would be required for water level to drop from a height of 1 meter to 0.5 meter? So let us solve the problem. So now first of all, let us understand. So from this side we have velocity, say I will say v, okay, v, and then and say we will say this is a area A, okay. So now this v is proportional to root of 2g into the height. Height I will say it is x, okay. Let us say this is height x, okay, in this direction, and any change, let me say dx, okay. So now if I consider q, okay, will be equal to root of 2gx into a, because root of 2gx gives the height to which the water is there, correct? From here what height the water is there, it is given by x. So into area, area is this small area. Now the q which is going down, if I say a particular time q can be written as, you say this area capital A, I will say this area here, this cylindrical tank has an area of capital A, I will say. So this capital A, and how the velocity, how the level of the water is coming down, I will say it is Vx into Vx, I will say, and this is equal to root of 2gx into a, I will say, correct? Now Vx can be written as a into dx by dt. This is equal to root of 2gx into small a. Now this I can say this is a into dx is equal to root of 2gx into a into dt. Now by separation of variable, I can write it like this. I can say a by root of 2g into small a into dx by root x is equal to dt. Now integrating both sides, okay. When you integrate both sides, what we get is, we get here time, this I am bringing it this side, so time is equal to, I can say a by small a into root 2g into integration of, say here 1 to 0.5. Now we have to understand this. Dx will always be negative, because if I say x, maximum and minimum, so maximum minus minimum, with the passage of time this dx will go negative, so it is better we put a negative sign here, okay. So we will put a negative sign here, we will put a negative sign here, okay. We have to understand the relation between dt and x. Dx is x2 minus x1, okay. So when you say x2 minus x1, it is here to here, so it has to come as negative, that's why I am bringing negative here, and it has to come from 1 to 0.5. We are integrating, and this will be equal to, when I integrate, I will get 2 root x, correct? Sorry, I have to integrate here dx by root x. Now this, when you integrate, we get t is equal to minus a by a into root 2g into 2 root x into 1 and 0.5. Now put value of a here. A can be written as equal to Here you see pi by 4 cancels on both sides, so I can say this is 0.8 square. This I can say 0.015 square into root of 2g, 2 into 9.81, and this, when you apply this, you will get the answer as minus point, or I will write this root of 2x. We can substitute this, and when I get that I will write it directly. Okay, so I got the answer as minus 0.585. okay, and this, when I solved, I got the answer as 373.73 seconds. So the answer which is close by is C, so I am going to get the answer as C. I hope you have understood this, students. Any further questions you can put in the comments, okay, and kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. And if you have any questions which you feel I have to solve, put it on the comments. I will solve it as soon as possible. Thank you very much, students.